Hi, my name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz, and my topic is about how many Disney parks are in the world and which princess is the castle for. The first one is in, I think, Anaheim, California. The castle is, I think, for Princess Cinderella, and I think it's the smallest one. I'm not sure. The second one is Orlando, Florida, and the castle is, I think, for Princess Belle. I'm not sure. The third one is in Hong Kong, and the castle is for Princess Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. Then there's another one in Paris, and the castle is from Princess Jasmine, I think. And the last one is in Shanghai, and that castle, I'm sure it's dedicated to every princess. All of the castles have a lot of murals, and you can take pictures in the castle, and all of them have different colors, and I think that's all. My favorite one is, I think, the one in Shanghai, because it's the most colorful, and I don't know, I just like all the figures and all of that. So thanks for watching.